Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you on how to install XAMPP on your computer. So here just type XAMPP, download, and choose the first, the apachefriends.org. So as you see, you should choose a specific operating system for your computer. It's either 64-bit, and there's some options here also, and it depends on your specific size. So they have Windows, some for Windows, some for Linux, and some for the OS X. This is for the Mac users. So I am using Windows here, and this is my size. But I want the version 8, the version 8.019. I'm going to click the download 64-bit. Okay, so while downloading, I have to discuss about XAMPP a little bit. To anyone who doesn't know or who's not familiar with XAMPP or just starting to code, XAMPP is a software distribution which provides the Apache web server, MySQL database, PHP and Perl as command line, Apache modules, all in one package. So XAMPP has been around for more than 10 years already. So here, already done. Let's just wait a little. Okay, so while waiting, okay. So if this appears, just have to click yes. Another click yes. Okay. What's this? This is just a warning. You just have to click OK. Welcome to the XAMPP setup wizard. You just need to click next. Don't touch anything here. Just click next. Those are the components. If you want to save the XAMPP to another folder, you can choose, but I don't want to touch anything. Just save it. I'm just going to save it to my C drive. Just click next. The selected folder is not empty. Please select a different folder. Okay, I'm just going to choose XAMPP folder I just created for the empty folder. And then some control panels for Windows supports different languages. Just choose your language, but yeah, there's only two options. Just choose English for universal language. So just click next. Setup is now ready. Okay, so this is just instructions on all components, but let's just wait. So the advantages of XAMPP for me is it is free and easy to use and easily available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It is for beginners-friendly solution package for full-stack web development. It is an open source software package which gives an easy installation experience. Let's just wait here. Let's click next. This is installing, guys. So let's just wait for maybe 5 minutes for all the files and components. Okay guys, so we're done downloading. This is the control panel now. And we have the Apache MySQL, and then you can start the Apache and MySQL to start creating database. Guys, no errors, so thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, click the hit notification below, and like this video.